Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special, a Porsche Cayenne Coupe like you've never seen before. This isn't just any luxury SUV, this is a beast transformed with an aggressive widebody kit, carbon fiber details, and a performance setup that takes it to a whole new level. Stick around as we take a closer look at this incredible build. Just look at this stance. The widened fenders, the sculpted body lines, and that deep metallic red paint make this Cayenne look absolutely menacing. The blacked-out trim and carbon fiber accents give it a stealthy yet premium look. And those massive wheels? They're wrapped in low-profile performance tires, sitting perfectly flush with the widebody, making this SUV look like it's ready to take on anything. Moving to the rear, things get even more aggressive. The quad exhaust setup isn't just for show, it gives this Cayenne an exhaust note that turns heads instantly. The custom diffuser, integrated with carbon fiber detailing, adds to the performance-inspired design. And that roof spoiler? It's not just for aesthetics, it helps with aerodynamics while making the back end look absolutely stunning. Every angle of this build screams power and luxury. Now, let's talk about the details that make this build stand out. The lowered suspension gives it a road-hugging presence while improving handling. The taillights are fully smoked out, blending seamlessly with the overall dark theme of the car. Every modification has been done with precision, keeping the original DNA of the Cayenne Coupe intact while pushing its design to the extreme. Step inside, and you're greeted with a mix of sport and luxury. The premium leather and Alcantara interior, combined with carbon fiber inserts, make it feel like a high-performance cockpit. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system provide a futuristic feel, while the seats keep you comfortable even during high-speed drives. But the best part? This Cayenne isn't just about looks. Under the hood, it packs serious power. Whether it's the twin-turbocharged V6 or the high-performance V8 variant, this build ensures that performance matches its aggressive styling. The combination of power, handling, and sheer presence makes it one of the most intimidating SUVs on the road. So, what do you think about this widebody Porsche Cayenne Coupe? Is this the ultimate blend of luxury and performance? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love modified cars like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay tuned for more insane builds, and we'll catch you in the next one.